Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm going to do another quick review. Rayo's famous lasagna. This one I'm going to enjoy. I like lasagna, especially Rayo's. Rayo's is famous for their meatballs and their lasagna, so I can't wait to try this one out. As always, it's a standard procedure. Preheat oven to 400 degrees, bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Remove from oven, let stand for 5 minutes, and enjoy Rayo's famous meat lasagna. Nutrition facts: it says serving size 1 tray, calories 390, total fat 16 grams, saturated fat 9 grams, cholesterol 65 milligrams, sodium 700 milligrams, total carbohydrate 36 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, total sugars 7 grams, protein 25 grams. This is your basic nutrition facts rundown. This is what the back looks like. It says Rayo's made for home meat lasagna, made with fresh ricotta cheese, pasta layered with ricotta, mozzarella, beef, sausage, and marinara sauce. Sounds delicious to me. Let's go bake it. Let's see what it tastes like. Let's go. So let's see what it looks like before we bake it. It actually looks pretty good, so can't wait to try it. Rayo's meat lasagna. So here we go. This was 35-minute bake, and this is what it looks like right out of the oven. Now let's try it out. It smells real good. Let's try it. Okay. There it is, the first bite. It's good. There it is. I think there's a good ratio of meat, cheese, and pasta. Works well. Nothing is overwhelming. Everything blends in together. So it definitely works as a dish. It doesn't taste frozen, which is always a plus. But I always bake it instead of microwave with every frozen meal, so that I think that helps. It's very good. I'm gonna judge this as a frozen lasagna, okay? I'm gonna judge it as like a regular lasagna, because you know, you can go to a restaurant or you can home make a lasagna. Would be better than this. For a frozen lasagna, it would be 4 out of 5. This one, the Rayo's meat lasagna, it's very good. Tastes good. It's it tastes good. It has the right balance of all the ingredients and all the stuff that's in it. For me, this is my after workout meal today. And it's the right size. So if you want to try this lasagna, try Rayo's meat lasagna. It's pretty good. Bake it for 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes, and there you go. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Barks and Pizza. As always, see you in the next video.